Hey Jordan, this is Mike Fortner, just looking over your post here, and you've done a pretty good job here of highlighting all the reaction pairs, all the different ones. Uh, you even got some that I didn't know really existed. Well, I guess one you really kind of missed, or probably the four you missed were the ones right around the where the chair and the wheels of the chair contact the floor, because there's a reaction pair there, reaction pair on this side, on the other side, or on that side. But I get your point. And I'm not quite sure where this reaction pair is. If that's supposed to be part of the chairs, I'm not sure. Don't see it. But at any rate, you've done a good. Uh, Now, you mentioned something about where the person in the chair wouldn't fall backward because of this. One of the things we're counting on is it's the material strength and the structural strength of that. It's not going to change the reaction pairs, but if the force of the person sitting in the chair, who looks remarkably like a Star Trek guy, uh, that if you lean back or something, or if he just has enough force when he leans back, that doesn't break the chair. If that happens, there's still no increase in the reaction pair, because the reaction pair is just what's there naturally. What happens to this is like when you open a door. If you push on a door, the door pushes back. If a door happens to open, that's after the reaction pair are gone. There's something else going on then. So I hope that kind of makes sense. Good drawing, good cartoon, good little discussion.